What's up, sharks? Had a lot of fun trading the ES today. If you could do me a favor, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. I am not a financial advisor. This is only for educational purposes. All right, let's get back to the video. What's going on, everybody? Back at it again. It's about 10 o'clock right now, Eastern time. I'm just waiting on this trade right here. So you see we are in a down movement. We got the 1, 2, kind of like a trap play from reversal to the downside now. So we have a downward trend line right here, broke right through this supports and is now created like a resistance. It is above it right now, but that's because it's on this trend line right here. So we're at this trend line right over here, guys. Okay, so we have this trend line coming down, and we're just waiting for it to go ahead and see if we can bounce off this trend line and make some type of a failure pattern, right? Get our entry order in and head downwards and make money on this way down. Let's see if we can go ahead and get this order placed in here, this trade right here. Let's go ahead and start doing that. All right. I have a, let's see, sell stop limit.
Order submitted.
Okay, our order ready. I'm going to bring it up a bit just to get it ready to get into this market. Okay, guys, first one right here. Okay, we're getting lower highs right over here. Perfect. And we have lower lows, which is great. Okay, I fixed my trend line a bit so it's a little bit more accurate, and we come down straight to the EMA. Perfect. Right here we come down to this EMA right here, come back up. Now we want to see some selling pressure, come a little bit lower, probably come back up, make a lower high, and we can probably get in on the low of that pattern right there. Let's get this failure. We need this to come down just a little bit more from the EMA, come back up and make a failure pattern so we can get our entry point in here. Hopefully we can get this, guys. Hopefully this doesn't get a little weird and we miss our entry point here. Perfect. Okay, guys, we got our entry right here. Perfect. So we are going in. Look, check this out. So it comes down, EMA comes back up, comes down again right here. Okay, perfect. Let me go ahead and make this smaller so you can see it better. It comes down, comes up, comes down lower right here. Okay, which is perfect. And now we need to see buying, which we do see buying, and we need to see a lower high. We gotta have the buyers fail. So this is buyers fail, meaning it's wicking right here. That's perfect. That's showing the buyers failing right there. There's our failure pattern. Okay, look, the buyers are failing. To kind of see it, right? You see that W pattern right there. You know, this is a buyer failure right here. Buyers are failing. Ooh, okay. Let's see it. Yep, still failure. Oh, look at that wick. Perfect. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, Bears. Let's go, Bears. Let's get this order in. Come on. Let's make this money. Come on.
Order filled.
Oh, come on. Now we're in. It doesn't mean we're good. We need to see some selling here now. Perfect. I'm just adjusting my targets here real quick, guys. Perfect. Okay. All right, guys. Perfect. So our first target is right here. First target is right here. It is at 4064.25. So 4064 and a quarter right there. Perfect. That's our first target. We need this to come down and hit our first target before we can move our stop down to the point of entry. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can get this first target. Let's go. Come on, Bears. First target is right here. So this is our goal. Our goal is to make this target right here. Once we make this target, we're good. We'll go ahead and put our stop down to the point of entry, which is right there, right over here, guys. All right, we came to basically a point or 3/4 of a point from hitting our first target. Come on, let's get this first target going already. These wicks right here are a lot of people probably getting their first targets out already. Maybe I should have had it a point higher. It's fine. It's still gonna keep going down. We're still good. This is a big entry because this is the first test right here.
Target filled.
test. I just don't consider that the first test. The first test to me, it's gonna be this right here, because this is the first test after coming down, hitting the bottom. This would be the first test. So looks good. Oh, perfect. We got our first target. I didn't even realize talking to you guys. We're gonna go ahead and put it down. Point of entry, guys. Perfect. All right. So we got our first target, which was around here. I did not even realize that we got our first target. I put it a couple of ticks below just to make sure that sometimes I put it right on my point of entry. It comes back and it's like a tick behind it because the lines are so thick you can't really see exactly where they are. So I just put it about a tick or two below the point of entry just to make sure I don't get any losses. So if it does come back now, guys, and stops us out, we'll have made our all this money from here to here, which was our first target. We may have made all that money. We won't lose any money. We'll keep the money that we've already earned. It's just perfect. Okay, guys, we are back. We are back. Let's go ahead and put this stop down to this swing right here. So right above this swing. So to explain, now I'm lowering my stop. I'm just trailing my stop. So that way, if this decides to come back, I'll go ahead and keep most of the money that, I'll keep the money that I made for my first target. And for these targets over here, if this ends up coming back over here and stops me out, all these targets, I'll be making money from these targets from here to here. Basically, that's what I'm doing. Just securing a little bit more money on these last targets just in case it does decide to come back. Okay, guys, we are back. So we're literally came down to basically a point away from our second target, which has two contracts in there. Perfect. The money we have left in the market right now, we have 2,600, 2,700, and that's with basically four contracts that we have left in the market. That's we're up just by these um two targets, which has four contracts that are left. I've already made on my first target about $1,700. That's already guaranteed. That's already in there. Now we're just trying to get as much money as we can in this market. So when this starts pulling down, I'm gonna go ahead and start lowering, trading my stop just to guarantee a little bit more money in the market. Come on, come on, come on! You're about a tick or two away from getting my.
Target filled.
Oh, perfect, great job. Let's go. Perfect. Oh, this thing is moving. This thing is moving. Going to go ahead and lower my stop just a bit more. So this swing over here. And let's try to get this last target right here. This is our runner. So right now we have made most of our money in this market and we're just focused on this runner. So now we're just going to keep lowering our stop and trailing our stop to maximize our profits on this last runner right here. If we get the runner, awesome. If not, it's fine because we've made plenty of money. This is our entry point. We'll have made money from this point right here all the way to the stop. So let me go ahead and redo that for you guys. Sorry. So we'll make money all the way to this stop right here. So this decides to end up coming back. We'll have made all this money right here. Just perfect. All right, we're in the range right now. So usually in the range, this thing starts to move a bit more. That's perfect. This is perfect. So we're going to go ahead and move our stop down. We're going to guarantee just a bit more money. Guarantee just a bit more money on this last target, which is two contracts left in the market. Let's go. Come on. Oh, oh. Oh, we just bounced off of that thing. Come on. Let's go, Bears. Come on, give me just one more tick below that low. Come on, right there. Come on, one more tick. One more tick.
Target
Let's
filled.
go. Perfect. Oh man, what a great trade. What a great trade, man. First trade of the day. First trade of the day started right over here. Oh, sorry, give me a second. First trade of the day started right over here. And we've made all of this money in the market. First trade of the day and a great trade, I'll tell you that. Let's go ahead and see how much money we've made. All right, let's go ahead and see. Perfect. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. $6,025. $6,000, guys. This is beautiful. Look at this, $6,000 right here. Let me go ahead and just go over basically what happened over here. Okay, so let me go ahead and enhance this a bit more. I don't know if you guys can see it perfect there, but so we have a trend line coming down right here. Perfect. Trend line coming down, trend line coming down, and we have a range. This would be our range right here, which is perfect, right? So this is our range. So what happened is we come down, right? We hit the bottom of the trend line plus below the range, which is perfect. It comes all the way back up, hits the other side of the trend line, right? Bounces off of it, makes a failure right there. We get in on that bottom of that failure and just start slamming right down. The bears just go straight. And look at that perfect touch to the bottom of the range. I'm going to go ahead and there we go. So you can see it better. Look at that. My range is so perfect. It is so perfect. Look at this range. It touches the bottom of this range just perfectly. And then what does it do? Right? It comes to the bottom of the range and it just jumps back to the top of the range. So imagine a little trade right here, not too bad, not too shabby, and probably it's gonna keep on jetting up to the top over here, probably. So, man, what a great trade! What a great trade, guys! All right, guys, thank you for watching the video and sticking through to the end. I really appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving me. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and put on that bell for notifications so that you guys can get notified every time I do upload a channel. I'm trying to go ahead and educate as best as I can. This is why I opened up this YouTube. I will appreciate any support that you guys can give me. Go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. That'll help me out a lot. All right, guys. I hope you have a great day. Have a great night. Have a great trading day. And see you on the next one. Peace.